Hey everyone, welcome back to Real New News. If you've ever wanted to remove vocals from a song for karaoke, remixing, or just for fun, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of AI vocal removers, how they work, their best uses, and the top tools available right now. Let's get started. Okay, so what are AI vocal removers? AI vocal removers use machine learning to separate vocals from instrumental tracks. Unlike traditional methods that rely on phase inversion, AI analyzes frequencies and patterns to extract vocals more accurately. This makes it possible to get cleaner instrumentals and acapellas without major quality loss. Pretty cool, right? So, why would you want to remove vocals from a song? Here are some common reasons. 1. Karaoke enthusiasts sing your favorite songs without the original vocals. 2. Music producers and DJs extract acapellas for remixes and mashups. 3. Content creators get clean background instrumentals for videos and podcasts. 4. Musicians practice playing along with the instrumentals only. There are tons of AI-powered vocal removers out there, but here are some of the best ones. 1. LaLal.ai, one of the most advanced tools with high-quality separation. 2. Phonic Mind, a paid tool with deep AI processing. 3. VocalRemover.org, a free and simple web-based tool. 4. Splitter by Deezer, an open-source tool used by many professionals. 5. Noises.ai, great for musicians, offering additional features like pitch and tempo control. Pros and cons of AI vocal remover. AI vocal removers are impressive, but they're not perfect. Here are some pros and cons. Pros: quick and easy to use, high-quality separation, compared to older methods, useful for a wide range of application skins. Some tools require a paid subscription for better quality results, vary depending on the song's mix, may not perfectly remove all vocal trechesso. What do you think? AI vocal removers are making it easier than ever to extract vocals and instrumentals, whether for fun or professional use. Have you tried any of these tools? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech and music content. See you next time.